Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming safety and getting the right tools. Phillips, flat pry, trim tool, 10mm socket, and a small container for fasteners. Once done, lower the window fully so the glass clears the panel pockets. Remove visible screws under armrest and in door handle recess. Pry off small plastic caps with a flat tool to expose screws. Make sure to separate weather seal edges gently so they don't tear, because a damaged seal creates noise and water intrusion later. Once screws are out, you work the panel free by prying at the lower edge with a trim tool, releasing clips one at a time so they won't deform. After clips give, lift the panel upward to clear the window channel. This motion avoids bending the top lip. Make sure to feed speaker wires and any door handle rod through the opening. Then disconnect the power harness and unclip the door lock rod. This prevents damage when fully removing the panel. You now remove the panel completely and set it on a padded surface to protect trim and paint. Before reinstalling screws, reconnect electrical plugs and test window and lock operation so you catch problems early. Make sure to align the top lip into the channel and press clips firmly until they click, then reinstall the screws. If a clip breaks, replace it or use an aftermarket retainer. This keeps the panel secure and prevents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.